Previously on Man Vs Patio, we turned this into this. And this. And we turned this into this. How lovely. Oh, wait a minute. You have to remember this moment for later. This is incredible! Let's continue on with this fence relocation sequence. This mesmerizing moment is removing an old post footing. Yeah, actually this kind of sucked. It took like an hour and a half or 2 hours or something like that. You can see it getting dark. And I had to get rid of this footing so that I can put a new post there. And, it's 9:45 at night. And, yeah, so great way to end a hard-working day. Fun stuff. Yeah, so I totally checked the time, and right about now it's 10:30, but there's still a long way to go.
There used to be an old basketball hoop in the driveway, and believe it or not, this was easier to dig out than the last footing, except for this part right here.
I think I just pulled my back out.
It's looking like a real good day to move some stairs. Ta-da!
Boy, this guy is a complete hack. I can't believe anybody is still watching this video.
And I'm afraid to live. And it would be a lie if I said I ever did. 'Cause everybody knows, and everybody says all the things you do come back to you. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, you're far too kind, far too kind. Stair Mover 5000, ladies and gentlemen, doing all the work for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The pour!
Alright, so we're poured. We're screeding now. So this process is smoothing out doing the initial smoothing out process, filling in all the holes, trying to get your plane and pitch and getting it run to our forms and our level lines and all our reference points. And then we'll let it set up for a while and come back and smooth it out again with the trowels, and I'll have to fill a little ramp over there where the gate is and some other things. So for now, we're just doing this initial smooth and leveling.
Now what I'm spraying here is called an aggregate retarder, and it inhibits the top layer of concrete from fully curing out so that later on you can come back and spray it off, power wash it off, and expose the existing aggregates underneath. We used a 3/8 pea stone to try and match the similar texture of my existing patio. You can see how smooth the top of the aggregate retarder is, and then when you spray it off, you get that existing pea stone look, that rough texture, which is what we're looking for. So I'd like to just talk a little bit about this project because I started this in early June. It is now the middle of August. I never counted the hours, but I probably have around 100 and 120 hours in on the job. And I do know that I've put in about 10 to 12 actual working days. That includes, basically it's all nights and weekends because I work 12 to 14 hours a day. So I don't get a lot of time in the evenings to spend time with the kids and everything else, and then come out here and do work on the job. But I probably spent about $2,500 in product and material, though I'm kind of guessing because I never tracked it. And in the driveway right now, there's about 6 yards of dirt, rock, asphalt, construction debris. Right here you can see how we tried to match up the existing texture of the patio, and I have to say I am thrilled. I did not understand what an aggregate retarder was before I did this job, and now I do. And this was exactly what I was looking for. I once told a buddy, all I want to do is have a place to put a chair. And this has just become so much more than that. Before, it was tough to walk on the asphalt. There was that garbage tank in the middle of the space. It was kind of a tight quarters area as you walk in the back gate. And now it's just this nice, inviting, open, flat space. Easy to walk around on, to go in and out of the basement stairs. And there's enough room the kids can play on that patio, and I can, you know, put the grill on there. I can actually fit a patio table on it, things like that. So this is not the end of the series. I've got a couple more things I want to do. Paint the stairs, which is old pressure treated, so I'm going to find the best product to do that. The set of 2 doors underneath the breezeway has become a small, teeny little clubhouse for my toddlers. And so I'm going to outfit that with some LED lighting and make it a finished space. So I'll do a video on that. And if there's anything else that you guys want to see, please hit me up in the comments below. Smash that like button. Hit the subscribe. Ring the bell. All that good stuff.
I know I'll be subscribing.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thanks, announcer dude. And to the rest of you, I just thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next one.